Now, finally, before we go, big day tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay. So please remember, tonight, go to bed early. Have a good night's sleep.
Okay.
You wake up fresh tomorrow, regardless of whatever your time is. Before you come, have a good breakfast. Make sure your tummy is full.
Okay.
And eat banana before you come for the
Okay.
lesson is better. So you're going to be more fresh. Make sure that your provisional driving license, find it somewhere today and put it somewhere secure. If you got dog or animals, make sure it's out of their reach, because we have some incident where test is tomorrow and dog chew the license. We don't want that either. Okay. Or like my cats, when she finds something, she picked up and she hide it.
Okay. Yeah.
We don't want that. So make sure keep it safe, maybe behind your phone or whatever it is. Okay. And please, keep brainwashing to you. Are you gonna treat this as a test, or are you gonna treat it as a normal driving?
Just a normal driving.
Normal driving.
Yeah.
Examiners want you to pass or fail your test. What examiners want you to do?
We need to pass.
They want you to pass.
Yeah.
And they will going to pass you if you're going to do what? A good?
Safe driving.
That's it. When the examiner is sitting over here, just treat them like Raja. No matter who you go, Sean, Sue, Campbell, anyone, Clint, anyone, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Liv, yeah, there's so many of them. Inam, anyone, they're all very, very good and very, very nice. They want you to pass. Mark, for example, anyone, they want you to pass.
Yeah.
You are very good at self-commentary. Keep doing your self-commentary. Some examiners like to talk to you.
Yeah.
Yes, you can talk back. As long as you are not losing control, you can do that. If you feel that they're distracting you, you always can say, I'm sorry, I just need to remain focused on the road. But if you're going to keep doing your self-commentary, chances are they're going to let you get on with it.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Just do not think about it. Now, if you're going to be driving with good observations, good anticipation, and good planning, you will be fine.
Yeah.
Okay? All right.
Yeah.
All right. Any question do you have?
No. No, not right now.
Yeah. So I don't think so that is anything to worry about for you in tomorrow. Pass or fail doesn't matter. You tell yourself, I'm gonna give your best.
Yeah.
If you do fail, so what? We can get you another
again.
test.
Yeah.
Okay. You know what's the meaning of fail?
I wasn't good. I could have been better.
So FAIL. If I ask you what's the meaning of F or A or I or L, how would you tell me?
I was going to say, does F stand for fear?
Okay.
A. Aspire. I think I'm just going
Let me help you out. Fail means, ready?
God.
You're going to be surprised. First attempt in learning.
Okay. That's a better acronym.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
I failed my test first time. And what did I learn? That I must signal no matter what. So I checked my mirrors. I didn't signal. The examiner have to signal for me on the roundabout. So when I went the second time, because the first attempt learning have taken place with the examiner point of view, I was very on the past second time. That's how it is. You just first attempt in learning. All right?
Yeah.
Go out there and I will see you tomorrow,
Yes,
1 hour
Roger.
before your test.
That's
Okay?
fine.